Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to PNP Top News. Trump's plan to save 2026 midterm with a cash and endorsement. Former President Donald Trump is leveraging his massive campaign war chest, reportedly over $500 million, to influence the 2026 midterm by endorsing loyal candidates and intervening in key races, while pleasing financial support to defend GOP majorities. He hasn't ruled out Pentagon news policy to discharge transgender service member. The Pentagon planned to remove transgender service members who don't meet strict new requirements under a policy tied to President Trump's executive order. The policy states that only male and female sexes are recognized, and those with gender dysphoria will face a separation unless they meet stability and compliance standards. No military fund will cover transition-related procedures. Trump eyes 1798 Alien Enemies Act of Mass Deportation. The Trump administration is considering invoking the 1798 Alien Enemies Act to fast-track deportation by passing the immigration court system. The primary target is the Tren de Aragua gang, recently labeled foreign terrorist organization, while Venezuela has agreed to limited repartitions. Alternative deportation destinations are being explored. Johnson vow no cuts to entitlement amid GOP budget battles. House Speaker Mike Johnson reassured that Republicans will not cut Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid while funding Trump's legislative agenda. Instead, he pleads to target fraud, waste, and abuse for a saving. The House GOP budget process at least $1.5 trillion in a cut, with nearly $1 trillion from the Energy and Commerce Committee. Chief Justice Robert Pau's order requiring Trump's admin to release $2 billion in foreign aid. Chief Justice John Roberts has temporarily halted a court order requiring the Trump administration to release $2 billion in frozen foreign aid by midnight. The pause allows the Supreme Court time to review the agreement after the administration argued compliance was impossible within the time frame. The case stemmed from the Trump's efforts to cut federal spending, which led to freeze on State Department and USAID fund. U.S. District Judge Amir Ali ordered the payment.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.